So it's day 2 of the jobs here. I stayed up last night, like I said I might, and got that dug. Still about half of it to go. So this lovely dark, rich, kind of black brown colour. I think it's probably sheep waste from the way it's all stacked up and where it is, but it's decomposed to the point of being soil now, I think. Got my tools out, I'm all set up to start today. Cleared out last night, like I said, so this morning we're just on to the stud work in here, which I don't know, it might take me longer. It's kind of one of those jobs that till I've started, I don't know how long this is going to take me, but got to get an extra panel on the top section, and then we've got to build the roof, which is just going to be flat, completely flat, not even a slightly sloped, because it's inside of a roof already. So hope this doesn't take me all day, as I'd like to get the rest of that dug as well, but let's get going. Carrying the reeds that we rescued yesterday. I don't know if they're reeds, I think they're called marsh grass, or at least that's what somebody said to me. But I'm carrying them down to this bath here, which was left by somebody else, and it looks an awful lot like it's an attempt at a greywater tank maybe. There are reeds growing in it, but they look a lot like grass, so I kind of suspect they're not going to be quite the right things. But that end's plugged. But I'm not really sure what a small greywater system like that would do. You need it to be quite large. But these are the reeds I bought on the internet, the plug plants, and I've just set them here because the ground looks really wet. I was going to put them in the bath, but they'll probably end up sinking, and I didn't want them to die. But I thought if I leave those in that bath till I come back next, and they're still alive, then they're likely to survive the greywater. Call it a tank. We're not doing a tank, it's going to be a greywater reed bed. A reed bed, that's what we're doing. So I've done most of the storage section. It's just a big box really. I didn't film the end of it because it's not particularly interesting. I've only rested the insulation against it. I haven't fixed it. I wanted to get it all ready so that when I start tomorrow, I don't have to spend all morning getting all the materials out. It's always frustrating when you think, yeah, I'm going to get on with something, and then you spend half the morning just getting ready. So I've got everything ready for tomorrow, and then I'll just crack on insulating it, getting the boards done. I'm gonna continue digging tonight. I'm gonna have a bonfire and I'm probably gonna get some more materials out for this. And what I'm gonna do next, while my sausages are cooking, is patch the holes in the roof. And what I'm gonna do with that is, I don't know how easily you can see the holes. They're sort of 10, 20 millimeters by 50 millimeters, something like that. I'm going to use a roll of duct tape and some Mappy shower tanking solution, which you don't use the duct tape, but you use it with this waterproof edge band that we've used before. But that stuff's huge, and it's got you have to paint such a large area. I'm not sure it'd be that efficient. So I'm going to get on the top of the roof and do it properly that way. But I'm going to stick some duct tape on underneath, paint around it, and then as a short-term fix, hopefully that'll stop it dripping down. So I'm going to do that next. Unless my sausage is ready now, I'm going to eat them, and then I'll do this.